put this right over here in front of Byron.
Because
There's your old one.
he's super.
I've got most.
Tim, I think I know who can help you with the biscuits.
No, yeah.
They get me hot.
We got a deal for you.
Picking on you all day. Oh, and some jam, homemade preserves.
Homemade preserves.
I don't
Did
like no issue with that.
And he's got me beat.
Cultivated berries.
Yeah, I got that all done.
Just across the street.
I'm gonna send Robin a picture. She's like, did you take biscuits up there? I'm like, yeah, I did last week. Yeah, this is like,
Oh, that's right, I wouldn't have been up so early. Nope, she's already up.
She was already up.
Yeah.
so yeah, this is like one of those cooking shows on TV. We can call it the Biscuit Wars.
Who makes the best biscuits?
Dave and I are clearing the hiking trail, the Blue Trail. A lot of blowdowns with some beautiful trees also. Quite a few bugs too, on right here. Pretty healthy mosquitoes too, aren't there, Dave?
Oh, yeah. And a lot of them.
Yeah. Location of the old wooden bridge. The Girl Scouts took this down a couple of years ago, and there's a side trail where you can keep dry to get around. How we doing, Dave?
We're doing well. We're still alive.
Made it through to the nature trail.
We did, Herb. Chainsaw, prunes, we made it through. We had to cut a couple trees down. We had to route around a couple things. We had to walk through some water, but it's a clear path.
Beautiful
good for
trail.
everybody to go.
Very nice. A lot of mushrooms too, didn't you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful mushrooms.
Yeah, yeah.
Not going to eat any though.
No, not today.
The lemonade stand.
When are you going to be making lemonade?
I don't make
Not
lemonade.
today, huh?
No.
No. Jeez.
No. What are you doing?